Thought you had another thing coming.
All right, here we go. Another little target rifle, little hunting rifle, little everything rifle. It's that RUGER lower with mag pull, CBC upper, 1 and 8 twist, 16-inch barrel, A2 contour. Got the CBC bolt carrier group, charging handle. Just got a plain Jane dot scope. Well, actually, it's a crosshair, but no, this is just a fire field. Nothing fancy for right now. Just putting something on it, just to shoot it. But no, here we go. Not a bad rifle. It looks long. I like it. A few things going to be done to it. Little spotlight up here, whatnot. Little grip right down there.
Did the same damn thing to him last night. Everywhere we go, everywhere we've been, leave a trail of ashes and a trail of sin. Back up the gear, let's hit the road. We got a long way to go now. Up in smoke, down in flames, jump on board, rolling like a freight train. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, boogie on down to the redneck backbeat. Hold down, it's a hillbilly hoedown. Ride up, we can go all night now.
All right, got this high-tech scope here, optic. Check this out. Look, dude. No, take a look. Let me show you. Look, if you want to zoom out, this is how you zoom out. Zoom in. All right. There you go.
But you can buy one of those at the dollar store.
Rack my scope. Apparently something's not right.